With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, have a look at the question. Question is, cells obtained from an organism were homogenized and centrifuged. Test indicated that cells contained glycogen. So that test indicated that cell contained glycogen. If you were asked to find out as quickly as possible whether the cells were from a plant or an animal cell, you would option are examine the centrifuge for presence of extracts of centrioles. Answer immediately the cell was from an animal source. Examine the centrifuge for presence of extracts of chloroplast. Answer immediately the cells were from a plant source. So as firstly we will understand our statement. They are saying there was a cells they have obtained from an organisms. They haven't mentioned these organisms were plant or animal. That was just simply organisms. These cells were homogenized and the centrifuged. So their homogenized means breakdown occur and centrifugation occur under the centrifugal force. These are centrifuged, and what they have found, that is cells contain the glycogen. In the cells glycogen was present. So now they have asked, we have to tell quickly whether the cell is from plant or animals, because they haven't mentioned it is what type of organism is. We are having just this information, the cell contain the glycogen. So we can immediately answer without giving a second thought. We can immediately answer that cell belongs to the animal cell. Why? Because we are having this information, and this information is sufficient enough to tell us that cell belongs to the animal, because glycogen is the storage material only in case of the animal. Glycogen acts as a storage material in case of the animal. If we'll talk about the plants, in case of the plant, storage material is the starch, that is not the glycogen. So this information is much more than sufficient to tell us immediately that the cell belongs to the animal. It is from any of the animal source. So here we will see option. Option is the examine the centrifuge for presence of extracts of centrioles. That will be the later step if we are not having this information. We don't need the extract of centrioles so that we can find out it's animal cell or plant cell. This information we can quickly, because they have mentioned as quickly as possible. So as quickly is only possible by this information, cell contain glycogen. So this is incorrect. Answer immediately that cells from an animal source. Yes, very correct. We can immediately answer, because we know that glycogen is a storage material in case of plant. Examine the centrifuge. There is no need to examine the further centrifuge because we know the answer already. Answer immediately that cells were from a plant source. This is incorrect, because cells we know that is not from a plant, that is from an animal. Option B is correct. Hope you get it. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.